I'm going to talk to you about duplicating a piece of video on your video clip and adding a overlay. So just below the scissors you can see, once I've highlighted the clip, a plus sign. Just tap on the clip with your finger and then you can see the plus sign just below the scissors. So when you've tapped on there, it duplicates. And then go down to the three little lines there and it expands the timeline. Then tap and drag. Pull up the duplicate clip with your mouse. And then you've got an overlay. So when the video plays, you can see the video clip halfway through, overlaying on our approach to the chap on the canal boat in Hungerford. And then we're approaching him again. So at the end of this video you've got other video clips on Adobe Rush, so please go to that. Please like and subscribe, turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.